Why legislation is needed? Why a legislation is needed to protect your right? What do you mean, or what is the difference between right to life and survival for the life? In order to explain both the term, let us discuss or let us describe a movie which is based on a real life incident, 12 years a slave. This story is about fight against forced slavery. This story is a journey of a free man to a slave and journey of a slave to a free man. This story is the journey of Mr. Solomon, a free man. This journey is about the fight for right to live of a person in the year 1840. Mr. Solomon Northup. Solomon Northup was a free man, but he was a victimized of the forced slavery system, or you can say forced bonded labor system, and he was forced to live away from his family for 12 years and to live a undignified life of a slave for 12 years. This is the story of Solomon. I remember a famous dialogue of the movie 12 Years a Slave, where a person who is a friend of Solomon and also who was a slave, he told to Solomon, if you want to survive, do and say as little as possible. When Solomon listened that, he laughed and told, I do not want to survive. I do not want to survive. I want to live. Survival not about certain death. It's keeping your head down. Survival is not to tell anyone that who I am. If that's the way of survive, I do not want to survive. I want to live. I want to live as a free man. I want to live with my life, with my family. So, from this story, we can conclude why we need a legislation. Just think, if the legislation was in place during that time, that forced labor or forced bonded labor or forced slavery system was a punishable offense under the Criminal Code of Procedure, and any person practicing any form of slavery will be punishable as per law, then perhaps Solomon would not have to lose his 12 years of life as a slave. Solomon would have enjoyed or would have lived a dignified life with his family, with his wife. That's the way and that's the reason we need a legislation. We need a legislation to protect our right. We need a legislation to live a dignified life. So that is the difference between the right to life or right to live and survival for life. There are many communities till date who are deprived of their lives. I have designed this web page, this video and this YouTube channel just to make aware people.